LCD replacement on Lenovo IdeaPad 315 IEL6 laptop. Thank you to Ma'am Cecily for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Choosing to bring your laptop to a professional repair shop for an LCD repair is an excellent decision for ensuring quality, precision, and the longevity of the device. Repairing or replacing an LCD screen is a complex process that involves working with sensitive components, including cables, connectors, and other parts that can be easily damaged if not handled correctly. Attempting to perform this repair without the proper skills or tools can lead to misalignment, additional damage to the device, or costly mistakes that may worsen the problem. By choosing a professional repair shop, you also benefit from added peace of mind, as reputable technicians can often provide warranties or guarantees on their work. This means that should any issues arise from the repair, you are covered for future adjustments or replacements. Overall, opting for a professional LCD repair is a valuable investment in the long-term functionality of your laptop, helping to protect your device, preserve its quality, and extend its lifespan. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. LCD replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. And have your LCD replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.